Time of 995. Transponder LT. Bridge mixture. Landing strobe on. Tower and prepare the Victory Terminal 132.1. Okay. Abbotsford Tower, set Charlie Lima Charlie on Charlie, ready for departure.
Charlie Lima Charlie, line up and wait runway 01, Charlie.
Line up runway 01, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Charlie Lima Charlie from Charlie, clear for takeoff runway 01, left turn approved.
Left turn approved, clear for takeoff, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Charlie Lima Charlie identified, what's your planned altitude?
Charlie Lima Charlie, say again.
Charlie Lima Charlie, you're identified, what is your planned altitude?
4,500 feet, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Charlie Lima Charlie, roger. Charlie Lima Charlie, contact Victoria Terminal 132.7 now, not about 2,500 until cleared high by then.
2500, 132.7. Good day, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Good day.
Tower, continue Romeo Electric.
No, just tell them we're just departing Abbotsford and requesting 4,500 to Victoria.
I'll fly the aircraft first.
Yep.
I'll maintain at 2,500.
Yep.
Victory Terminal, good morning, Cessna 172, Foxtrot Charlie Lima Charlie, 2,500, request 4,500, just leaving Abbotsford.
Cessna 172, Foxtrot Charlie Lima Charlie, Victoria Terminal, 4,500 to Victoria is approved.
4,500 approved, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Okay, let's go. That was easy. Yeah. Off we go.
Leaving 3,000, linear mixture.
Victoria Terminal, South Harbor Express 311.
Express 311, Victoria Terminal, good morning, SWAT guiding, go ahead.
Just to be in Langley, 2,000, looking for higher to Victoria, but clears to Abbotsford.
Express 311, roger, climb to 2,500, and I'll hire for you here shortly.
Roger to 2.5 and higher.
Roger, how high would you like?
3.5 would be great.
All right, stand by for that.
You got a tailwind.
Yep, we sure do. A really good one.
Good morning, Victoria Terminal, Encore 3306, with you through 1,800, calling 5,000 out of Abbotsford.
Encore 3306, Victoria Terminal, identified, climb 11,000, good rate through 6,000.
Coming 1,000, good rate through 6, Encore 3306, and we're on the Cranbrook 1.
Roger.
We are in USA now?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, long ago. Yep.
Our Prime Minister is visiting U.S. President.
Charlie Lima Charlie, traffic at your 1 o'clock and 4 miles turning southeastbound is a Piper Seminole, 5,000 feet.
We're looking.
We're looking, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Go up in here somewhere.
Tell Delta Papa as you make the outbound turn there, there's traffic at your 9 o'clock, 4 miles southwestbound, 172, 4,500.
Looking for the traffic, hold Delta Papa.
Express 311, 3,500 is approved.
311 to 3.5.
Encore 3306, turn right heading 070 vectors on course.
Right turn, heading 070 vectors on course, Encore 3306.
Roger.
And Seminole hold Delta Papa is established in the hold.
Oh, there's somebody up here doing holds.
Hotel Delta Papa, roger. We've got a 737 inbound from the east for Abbotsford, so I can either have you stay there for a little while or can pretty much offer you 1.5 turns and then inbound for the approach. It's up to you.
We'll take the 1.5 turns with the inbound for the approach, and we'd like to request the NDB for runway 07 into Abbotsford for Hotel Delta Papa.
Hotel Delta Papa, roger. Check vectored straight in NDB 07.
Hotel Delta Papa, next.
Encore 3306, contact Vancouver Center 1337.
Switching 337, Encore 3306.
Carry point is easy to identify because it's all those big tanks. It's a refinery for oil.
Terminal Hotel Delta Papa, do you want us to continue the turn in the hold here?
Yeah, just continue in the hold there, and I'll probably pick you off on the next turnaround at some point there to let you at least get one turn in for timing.
Oh.
Hotel Alpha Papa, thank you.
On our right in the GPS, is that a VOR? What
Yes, it is. It's right down below us here. That's that white thing with a little spike sticking out of the top of it in that square green field. Circular, but it's got a white spike sticking out of the top, quite large. That's the VOR. Okay. So, it's all good, huh?
Yeah. So cruise checklist. Power set, make sure lane. Light, landing and taxi close. Turn off. Cruise checklist complete.
We're doing 100, almost 130 knots. Awesome. Nothing to do. Maintain your altitude. If you're more than 100 feet off your assigned altitude, they'll probably remind you. As they, again, you got to remember we're only 500 feet separation from IFR traffic, so they're going to be quite rigid on that. But that's okay. That makes sense, right?
Okay, the green tank is a Cherry Point.
That's Cherry Point.
I just see it.
Yeah, it's an oil refinery.
Okay.
And oil tankers will come in here heading for Japan and China and Asia and all over the place. And there's big pipelines in the ground that come from central Canada. And then they do the refining here, and then it's on its way.
Oh, so Canada bought the oil from China and else?
We export to China. Oh yeah, tons of coal and anything to do with energy.
Yeah.
We export lots of natural gas, oil, and coal.
Okay, yeah, I thought, because I thought that China buy many energy.
Oh yeah, they're always buying energy from us. Yeah.
Express 311, contact Victoria Terminal 1278.
Express 311, 127.
Roger. Hotel Delta Papa, how you feeling about the hold?
We're finished with the hold, Hotel Delta Papa.
Ready for Hotel Delta Papa, Roger. Vector to NDB approach flighting 250, descend 3000.
250, descend 3000, Hotel Delta Papa.
So should we benefit the...
What's that? There's Boundary Bay, just in the middle of that bay over there, under our wing. Way off to the, about our 2 o'clock there. That's where you guys were the other day. Anyway, sorry, you were going to ask something?
Should we benefit something about tailwind? Should we reduce some power?
No, not at all, no. When you're IFR, if you're not flying the speed that you expect to fly, then you have to adjust it, but in the VFR world, no, we're just happy. Yeah, it's all good. I can see Victoria from here. Doesn't take long to get there.
Oh, it's very close.
We're 29 miles away.
11, contact Victoria
14 minutes.
That's us.
Sorry, was that for Charlie, Lima Charlie?
No, that was for Express 311
Okay.
ahead. I think he's already gone though.
Okay.
Hotel Delta Papa, turn right heading 340.
Right heading 340, Hotel Delta Papa.
Charlie Charlie now, contact Victoria Terminal 1278.
1278, Charlie Lima Charlie, good day.
So it's just Victoria Terminal, Charlie Lima Charlie, 4,500. That's all you need to say.
Victoria Terminal, Charlie Lima Charlie, 4,500.
Charlie Charlie Lima Charlie, Victoria Terminal. The Victoria altimeter is 3020.
3020, Charlie Lima Charlie.
So he knows where we're going, and he wants to give us the proper altimeter setting for our destination. Makes sense, right?
4,000 direct active capacity is Echo.
57 Victoria Terminal, thank you. Altimeter 3020. Vectors visual, just turn left 10 degrees, call the airport.
Left 10 degrees, we have the airport, 757.
27, Vancouver and Seattle, IFR, flow control in effect. Due to reduced staffing, no circuit training available, and VFR aircraft can expect delays. Inform ATC that you have information Foxtrot. Victoria International, information Foxtrot. Weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 250 at 3, visibility 30, few clouds at 1,200, few clouds at 24,000, temperature 10, dew point 5, altimeter 3019er, stratocumulus trace. The IFR approach is ILS or visual runway 27. Landing and departures runway 27. Vancouver and Seattle IFR flow control in effect. Due to reduced staffing, no circuit training available, and VFR aircraft can expect delays. Inform ATC.
Expect delay, huh? Maybe. Maybe not.
Runway 27, just straight in to the base. Yep. Right base. Left, right.
Yep, probably.
Yep, right base.
So you see East Point? That's this tip of this little island right down here.
All right.
Yeah, that's
like
east.
a claw of the monster.
Yeah, and there's a little lighthouse and right at the end here in that little gravel area. That's East Point. So what frequency will you need next?
It's 119.1.
And just so you guys know, when you do listen to the ATIS,
Victoria Terminal,